students. Then we go to next question. The base radius and length of a metal cylinder are 4 centimeters and 10 centimeters. If it is melted and recast into spheres of radius 2 centimeters each, how many spheres can be made? A metal cylinder is melted and recasted into spheres. ഒരു സിലിണ്ടറിനെ മെൽറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എന്താക്കി മാറ്റുന്നു, സ്ഫിയേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് റീകാസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് അല്ലേ. therefore നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്ഫിയേഴ്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്ഫിയേഴ്സ്. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്, ഒരു സോളിഡിനെ നമ്മൾ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് മെൽറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ചെറിയ ചെറിയ ഐഡന്റിക്കൽ സോളിഡ്സ് ആക്കി മാറ്റിയാൽ number of spheres equal to volume of big sphere divided by volume of that small volume of big solid divided by volume of the small solid. Here the dimensions we can write here first. What are the dimensions? Cylinder radius is 4 centimeter and height equal to 10 centimeter it is given, and radius of the sphere is 2 centimeter. Okay, we have to find number of spheres. Number of spheres equal to volume of cylinder divided by volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder divided by volume of sphere. Then what is the formula for finding volume of cylinder? Yes, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. That we can write pi r square h divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. We can cancel this r and r. We substitute the values. Okay. Substitute this r stands for radius of the cylinder and this r stands for radius of the sphere. Then substitute the values. Pi into 4 into 4 into 10 divided by 4 by 3 into pi into 2 into 2 into 2. Then you simplify how this pi and pi will cancel. This pi and pi cancelled. Then 4 and 4 cancel. This 4 and this 4. Okay, this 4 and this 4 cancel. Then 2 into 2 equal to 4. This 4 also cancel. This 4 cancelled by these 2. And 10 by 2. Here 5. Therefore numerator 5 only. Denominator 1 by 3 comes. 1 by 3. Therefore that we can write 5 divided by 1 by 3 equal to 5 into 3 by 1. That is 15. 15 centimeter. 15. Number of spheres equal to 15. Clear? Then we can discuss the next question. This also from textbook. Here the question is a metal sphere of radius 12 centimeter is melted and recast into 27 small spheres of equal size. What is the radius of each small sphere? Here one big sphere is melted and recasted into 27 small spheres. Therefore we can say that volume of 27 spheres is equal to volume of the big sphere. That we can write like this. Volume of 27 into volume of a small sphere equal to volume of big sphere. Clear? 27 into volume of a small sphere equal to volume of big sphere. Then that's equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. This 4 by 3 pi r cube stands for volume of small sphere. This 4 by 3 pi r cube stands for volume of big sphere. Then substitute the values. What's the value? 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi into 12 into 12 into 12. Okay. Here 4 by 3 pi is both side. This we can cancel. 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will cancel. Therefore the remaining, this 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will cancel. The remaining terms are 27 r cube equal to 12 into 12 into 12. 27 r cube equal to 12 into 12 into 12. What is r cube? R cube equal to this 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 27. Divided by 27. That you can simplify that. This 27 equal to this 12 and 27. 3 is the common factor. In 12 to 3 4 times. This 12 4 times. This 12 4 times. 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. This 3 is divided by each 24. Each 12 we get 4 into 4 into 4. R cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4. Therefore, what is r equal to 4 itself. Cube is a cube of a number is that number is multiplied by 3 times. Therefore, r cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4 means 4 cube. Therefore, r equal to 4. Therefore, radius of that small sphere equal to, okay, radius of the small sphere is equal to 4 curves. Then we go to the next one. The next question from the textbook. That question is this figure. The picture shows the dimensions of a petrol tank. How many liters of petrol can it hold? Here the figure of the petrol tank. This petrol tank consists of one end a hemisphere, here also hemisphere, and middle cylinder. That is, this petrol tank consists of a cylinder and two hemisphere. A cylinder and two hemisphere. Here the question is, how many liters of petrol can it hold? That means you have to find the capacity of the tank. Capacity of the tank, that is to find volume of the tank. Here the volume of this solid contain more than one solid. Here three solids are there. What are three solids? Three solids. Here one hemisphere, here cylinder, here hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere? Yes, volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder, yes, volume of cylinder is also volume of cylinder pi r square h, and this volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, first we can write the dimensions. Here the hemisphere, its radius is given 1 meter. Radius of the hemisphere and cylinder are both 1 meter. The total height is 6 meter. Then this part is height of the cylinder. Therefore, subtract 1 from left and 1 from right. Therefore, 4 meter. That we can write here. Radius of the hemisphere is 1 meter and radius of the cylinder 1 meter and its height is 4 meter. Okay. Then next we can write find the volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r is 1, 2 by 3 pi into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 2 by 3 pi. 2 by 3 pi meter cube. Next you find volume of the cylinder. What is volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h. That we can write volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. That is pi into r square. R is radius 1 into 1 into h 4. That means 4 pi. Volume of cylinder equal to 4 pi. Then what is volume of the tank? Tank consists of cylinder and 2 hemisphere. If we can write 4 pi plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi. Volume of the tank equal to 4 pi plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi. 2 into 2 by 3 we can write 4 by 3. Therefore 4 pi plus 4 by 3 pi. Then you add these 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16 by 3 pi meter cube. 16 by 3 pi meter cube is the volume of the tank. Volume of the tank. Therefore capacity equal to, what is the capacity? Therefore that we can write 16 by 3 into pi. The value of pi is 3.14. But here the volume is in terms of meter cube. How to convert meter cube in terms of liter? Multiply by 1000. You simplify this. First you multiply 16 into 3.14 and into 1000, then divide by 3. Here all these numbers are not factors of multiples of 3. If we can't divide exactly, therefore you should multiply the numbers and finally divide by 3. Then you will get the answer that much of liter. Okay. Okay. One more question. From a solid sphere of radius 10 centimeters and a cone of height 16 centimeter is carved out. What fraction of the volume of the sphere is the volume of the cone? Okay. Here a cone is carved out from a sphere. Carved out a sphere. That we can draw like this, the diagram. Here this is the sphere and the radius of the sphere is 10 centimeter and height of the cone is 16 is given. Then here O is the center of the sphere, OA is the radius, this also radius, therefore here 10, here 10, therefore remaining here OB equal to 6. Total height is 16. Okay, therefore you consider OAB. OAB is a right triangle. In that right triangle, this OA is 10 and OB equal to 6. Then you can find the AB. Okay, you can find the AB. How? Using the Pythagoras theorem. That you can write first dimensions. Here radius of the sphere is 10 centimeter given and the height of the cone equal to 16 centimeters given. Therefore radius of the cone you can find that's equal to r equal to root of 10 square minus 6 square equal to 8 centimeter. You got AB equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Here you have to find what fraction of the cone to the sphere. That we can find here fraction. Fraction is volume of cone divided by volume of sphere. Volume of cone divided by volume of sphere. What is volume of cone? Volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then you substitute the values. How to substitute? 1 by 3 pi into r into r. R is 8. 8 into 8 into 60. Divide by 4 by 3 pi into 10 into 10 into 10. Next step is simplification. How to simplify? This pi and pi cancelled. Here 4 by 3, this 4. In 8, 2 times possible. This 4 in 8, 2 times. Okay. This 2 in 10, 5. Then again 8, 2, 4. Here 5. Here again 2, 8. Here 5. 8 into 4 into you will get and remaining 1 by 3 cancelled. Then you simplify that, you will get the answer. That is a fraction.